Presenting a data science project is a nuanced process that requires balancing the technical depth of the analysis with clarity for a broad audience. The goal is to convey not only the results but also the value and reliability of the work. This narrative will walk through an academic framework for presenting a data science project effectively. The setting is a typical conference room where Julia, a data scientist, prepares to present her team's predictive analytics project to stakeholders from various backgrounds: executives, product managers, and fellow data analysts. She starts with context because understanding the business or organizational problem is the foundation of any successful presentation. Julia establishes why the problem matters and shares a succinct project objective. For example, she introduces, "Our goal was to reduce customer churn by predicting users most likely to leave the platform within the next quarter." Next, Julia transitions into a concise description of the data. "We analyzed behavior logs from 200,000 users over 1 year, capturing variables like frequency of login, purchase history, and customer support interactions." She briefly addresses data quality and pre-processing steps, demonstrating rigor. "We handled missing values using median imputation for numerical fields and ensured all time-based events were standardized." The narrative then shifts towards methodology. Here, Julia maintains brevity for non-technical listeners while supplying enough specificity for domain experts. She says, "We began with exploratory data analysis to identify patterns, then implemented logistic regression and random forest algorithms for prediction. Model selection was guided by ROC-UC scores in cross-validation." To sustain attention, Julia incorporates visual elements. During her explanation, she displays clear, annotated plots, a correlation heat map, example decision trees, and a timeline showing project milestones. These visuals anchor each phase of the project narrative, letting each audience member connect the methodology with tangible artifacts of the work. Julia is careful to anticipate and address potential concerns. She explains, "We conducted feature importance analysis to validate model trustworthiness and performed robustness checks to ensure our findings generalized beyond the training sample." She highlights limitations candidly. "Our model is less accurate for users with minimal engagement data, and we recommend further data collection for this segment." For climax, Julia presents results in business terms. "The model correctly identified 72% of customers who eventually left, allowing us to design targeted retention campaigns. Early tests suggest a projected $1.6 million in retained revenue this year." She uses narrative contrast, describing baseline churn, the intervention, and the outcome. Finally, Julia concludes with recommendations and next steps, emphasizing collaboration. She invites questions, positioning herself as an ally to multiple stakeholders. "We're ready to work with product and marketing teams to deploy this model in the coming quarter. Additionally, we recommend continuous monitoring to adapt to evolving user behavior." In review, effective data science project presentations start with clear context, cover data and methodology at the appropriate depth, use visuals judiciously, address limitations transparently, and culminate with actionable business impact. This academic approach ensures both technical accuracy and stakeholder engagement, maximizing the impact of data-driven insights.